Here we got a 2002 PT Cruiser. You know, it's fucking making a nasty noise. You know, I think it might be the wheel bearing, but let's take a look at it right quick. You know, it don't really do nothing from like 0 to 20, but as soon as we get to, you'll hear it. Not transmission. Transmission is shifting good, you know. No wheel vibration or nothing like that. It's not moving to the side or anything, you know. It rides straight down the road. It's just making a really nasty noise. It's like a humming noise, you know. I wouldn't say it's like I think my first step is probably a wheel bearing, but hopefully it's that, you know. Hopefully it's not nothing crazy like a transmission bearing or nothing, but you know, we're hoping it's that. Let me see if I can get another. It's nothing. It's from 40 and up. It starts doing it. If you guys hear it, just trying to get closer to like the pop the window open. Nah, that's not gonna do it. If you guys know about this, or you guys ever experienced this, you know, let me know. It's a 2002 PT Cruiser, you know. It's just making a humming noise, you know, 40 and over. 40 miles an hour and over. So just let me know, you know. Leave me a few comments or something.